How's your day going?
Pretty good, thanks.
What is your favorite movie?
Comedy is my favorite movie.
What's your favorite coffee or tea?
Coffee is my favorite.
What's your favorite book you've read recently?
The Alchemist is my favorite.
Do you have any pets?
No pets at the moment.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I love trying new recipes.
What's your favorite beach or mountains?
Mountains is my favorite.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
Family road trips is my favorite.
Do you like to travel?
Absolutely, it's one of my favorite things.
What's your dream job?
Travel blogging is my favorite.
What is your favorite childhood game?
Monopoly is my favorite game.
What's your idea of a perfect weekend?
Relaxing at home with a good book.
Favorite type of dessert?
Chocolate cake.
Do you play any musical instruments?
I play the piano.
What's your favorite app on your phone?
Spotify is my favorite app.
If you could meet any historical figure,
Albert Einstein.
what's your favorite outdoor activity?
Hiking is my favorite activity.
What's the last movie you watched?
Inception is the last movie I watched.
What's your favorite summer or winter?
Winter is my favorite